Hello, guys. Welcome to Chat Jamaican. We're in Accompong in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, January 6, 2021. We know that every January 6 they do their celebration. The Accompong Maroon Festival is a cultural celebration that commemorates over 200 years since the signing of the peace treaty between the Maroons and the British. The festival marks the victory of the First Maroon War against the British, in which they fought for their freedom, led by their late hero Cudjoe. Alright, so please look at the activities. This is an evening walk through, and I do hope that you enjoy.
What's that British called?
All right, come
I catch a chicken.
You know, catch. I'm buying, I go cook him.
Oh.
You know what I'm doing? Get to our hammer. Something nice, man. Yo, when time you have to have me in here for him, I get to our hammer. Yeah, get to our hammer. Remember, I say. Yeah, remember you cook the ear, you cook the feathers, not the chicken.
And
That's done. Another key.
involved
Yeah.
in the development
That's
program.
another key.
The IU has helped us to fine-tune the development plans that we brought to the state. We made them on a one-on-one basis, then meet the community to be happy of the moment. The IAS project focuses on infrastructure, accessibility, and community development. We're talking about the grassroots. development. Infrastructure and development, we do that here in the Accompong for improvement of the kitchen. We renovate the river park, storeroom, and they did not bring their own workers and consultants. Instead, we employ people from the Maroon community to do the work. Capacity building and development project in our community. The project completely managed by the CTMC management team, such as operations, administration, financial reporting, and all covered by the CTMC management committee. This way, the team strengthened and it managed the capacity. There is also organized structural training, including in the IAF budget, covering training in the areas such as office admin, tour guide training, environmental awareness. IAF and the Open Starfish Foundation put a lot of energy in strengthening our youth. The possibility of offering pay
Hi, Brian. Going beyond the call over these last few days to ensure that what we are doing was possible. I want to thank the CPTC for their involvement in all of this. I want to thank Theo Chambers for his connection with True Zoom. Very good work there. I am very pleased and thank you for the help. I want to thank the JCDC for their usual logistical support for these programs and activities, especially the staff of JCDC Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth, who has been on spot, stage managing and coordinating. Want to recognize Sister Barbara Blake Hanna for her support in carving out strokes and the concepts for what has been presented today, giving an initial script so that we could work around it. And for her commitment for that impromptu conversation. I want to thank Opal for the work and
Mhm. Right now we're just walking to Kinda. Yes, out here in the St. Elizabeth.
I know 3 years. Long time now you talk to him.
Accompong Town, St. Elizabeth.
Thank you, Akinia, for this video. I do hope you enjoy, guys. Please watch. She's walking all the way to Kindle to look at activities that are going on around there. So please sit, relax, enjoy. And guys, thank you.
What Kinder was? Yeah, I didn't know what Kinder was. So here we're still walking. You should visit this place during when there is no corona. It's actually very nice. People here are nice. The history and behind this place is also very nice. With the history of this place, have some of the ancestral stuff. There we go, look at that. We have this annual thing where we say clear road and come up.
No, then.
Here they are, bang. Well, if you walk in there, walk on my yard. Normally this would be more crowded, filled with people, but because of the whole coronavirus thing, crowd is not really allowed.
Them kind different band now. Yeah.
Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Look more.